Come, 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 come. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Awesome. Cuckoo, hello to our little apostles. I am your top product. Welcome to my channel. Now, I'm in Brittany, France. How about so Brittany is flooded with octopuses. What about the octopus? What about in Brittany? It's been missing for decades. So I killed it back too. Today, I'm going to take you to an octopus island. Have a look. Are Brittany's octopuses really overflowing? I'm at a port now. We're taking this boat now. Go directly to that island. Uncle. He said you smell like a dog. What about Brittany? It's in the far west of France. It's a corner of France sticking out. It's sort of like one big peninsula. Well, the climate here is very changeable. It will be sunny and cloudy for a while. On the other side is the UK, so they have similar climate. It rains a lot and fogs a lot. Here we are. Here we are. Now we have landed on this island. I now need to go from the south side of the island step over to the north. If you shape it, it will take about 10 minutes. Small islands like the one Brittany, I came to today. A lot. Recently, I had huge amount of money to buy a kayak. Little Brittany. Wow, it's hailing. Wow, God. Let's take a look. It's hailing, you see. It hailed for a while and now it's sunny again. Look, there's a bird in front of you. A water duck died for some reason. They sometimes take the dead back and eat them. If you don't die too long. I have never been to this island is pure development. I really don't know if I can catch something. It's only 3 degrees outside now. Here it's colder in the water. There is a sea in the water. The thread is leaking. Haha, it looks like this. He also has a pink one on that pincer. This is called a sponge crab. He has a layer of fluff on him, also called sleep crab. He and the one we caught before. Velvet crab is about 1, because they all have fuzzy stuff on them. Let's get fit. Ouch, just 1 up. But the size is not up to standard. My eyes are like rulers. It's going to take at least 3 or 4 years. A stone like our class will be returned to its place because for him. If you turn it up, if the water and grass side is that down, abalone wouldn't be planted there. Let's see if there is anything under this stone. Oh, there's one. Small. Here. Oh, too small, too small. Hey, oh, there are 2. Too small, this little abalone. The shell is still brittle. The hands haven't grown yet. Try this one again. Hey, this big. Still should be almost. If I don't feel wrong, it should be taking shit to dry. This abalone should grow to 9 centimeters. Let's take a look. The difference is about 1.5 centimeters. Like abalone here, it needs to grow to 9 centimeters to take it away. None of these are up to standard. Quickly hurry up, AT. So big, AT. Oops, those big velvet shoes. Catch, 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 catch. Wow. Yes, this size. Wow, handsome. This is beautiful. This must be taken away. Does a ham sausage taste good? This crab has red eyes. And then there's a layer of fluffy shell. But it's especially fierce. It's a big clip. How much is a gain? Put it in first. Oh. Yeah, this is okay. Oh, it's up to standard. Just got stuck. Come and take advantage of it. Just jump on it. Okay, don't look at the 9 centimeters short. I told you abalone has to look big like this. At least close. The abalone here in Shining is all green. Green abalone. I saw an octopus in this hole. There are a lot of octopuses
Did you
in the
eat
glass
all
tower
those
now. Abalone or something? It's a despair you got. Total basket for the trash Washington. A little privacy tomorrow. It's all new for the civil and maternal and emotional student. You speak Chinese. I'm here. I'm here. Learn Korean. Learn Korean. Beijing, no. Ah ha ha ha. 1. It's 1989 in Beijing. When do you learn? University of Science and Technology, Beijing. And try it. Ups, this situation. Ah. Don't move. Did you call you stupid too? How could it be on a moving stone? This stone can't move, embedded in soil. Can't you move this stone? Now I can only rub it out. See if you can rub it out. I can actually hang him, but you can't pull him out if you pull him so hard. You have to keep poking. Come out faster. Coming, coming, coming. Wow, wow, wow. Come, wow. Wow. Oh, wow. Have a look. Wow, this big head. He has been stabbed by me. Not moving much. This thing. Now there is no natural enemy here at all. Like fishermen, I always hate him. Like this year's the lobster has grown to 60 to 70 euros a kilogram. It's because he put the egg of the lobster, and that abalone ate it all. Is it good to do away with harm for the people? I'm not pretending to eat me for the judge. Let's go. Here's an octopus. Yeah, we're having an octopus feast today. I went from this detour tactic how he was in it. Come on, come on, come on. It's not easy to fix this place. Ups, my hands really hurt. Ups, come. Hey, you are still playing. Can't plate. Wow. It's just a little smaller than the previous one. You really want to rub it for him. It only came out after rubbing him. Otherwise, it really very little like this. Unless it's some kind of fancy restaurant. Maybe cook it. Because ordinary people don't know how to make this thing. Like the Spanish side, it is more popular to eat that down. A snack. And they would use this octopus for that kind of snack. But France doesn't have this habit anymore. Got another one. I don't know how many octopuses I will harvest today. I didn't see the lobster. I didn't see the valuable one. And you can see here the abalone shell in the water. At first glance, it was eaten by the octopus. Such a big abalone. It has a crab on it. Ouch, this is big. Another ham sausage. Still a big ham sausage. The size of the nearest velvet thread. They're all good looking. Come on in. Here's an octopus. Wow, the fields are really going to eat an octopus feast. Let me tell you about it. You look at him with his small trouser leg. This whole thing is a big mess. So much. Come. Oops, babble. Hey, it's all rolled up. This one is not as good as the two just now. Those two are big, but they're okay. Wash it, it's smoking black. It's already started. The tide is not particularly high today, so the water doesn't recede deep. Hard to find. Oh my god! I still want to get in. I still want to get in, but I can't get in and show your face. Hey, another big octopus. God. Why so many octopuses? Oh my god. That's too much. Oh my god, I didn't expect so many. I said before I came that this thing was overflowing. Beneath a big rock is a. Then don't look at the judge and don't eat it. This thing is quite a supermarket. More than 20 kilograms. Today is the bag eaten by octopus Heihaha. This big bag. This bag. I feel at least 10 or 20 caddies. It should be too heavy. Come to the photographer to help mention me. I'll go ha ha ha. Is it heavy? Haha, it's heavy. Hurry up and go back. The water is rising. Start. Come up you come. Even the old French brothers were caught. They also caught so many that octopus wow. This abalone is so big. I also said to give them 2. But someone else if they've caught any lobsters. He said it was all the octopus. Eating all the lobsters. Octopus we caught. Let's go to the supermarket and buy any food to match. Come buy a green onion. 2 yuan 9 kilogram. Buy another red pepper. I just arrived at the senior club. And be that octopus. Today their senior club also went to catch catch a lot of octopus. So this stuff has exploded. Look at what we caught today. Hide this big bag. Get these crabs out first. I originally wanted to catch a few big abalone. Only one was caught. This octopus must be washed. It's full of sand. Let's sprinkle salt first. Must give him a deal first. Then start beating. Okay, that's it. 10 minutes. An octopus that has been beaten for more than 10 minutes. It's the same as drinking a caddy of bulk baijiu. Wow, you see it's all taken care of. It doesn't feel like a rubber band to me. We can lengthen this beard for him because this thing will shrink after cooking. Wow. This octopus has been dealt with. Let's put another egg white in. Stir it. Let's blanch the octopus a little bit. Blanch for 4 minutes. Almost ready. Let's start. Fry it up. Some shredded scallion. Oops, put it in the pot. Wow, it's such a big cup. This is that the fire is too small. And the pot is also a little small. You're not even out of breath. Wasting my good cooking skills. Let me tell you something. I wanted to experience this senior club. Result. It's tonight. My friend Green can eat here. His ancient house is 400 or 500 years old. Side. Many of the houses are hundreds of years old. Okay. Okay. The wine has been stuffy for too long, and the fire is really not so hot. It's a bit stir-fried. Got one sun, got one sink, got one. 6 can be more than 8 centimeters. Then he said it had been 6 years. It takes 6 years to get that big, like velvet thread. By the French, they think it's the best seafood. That is, they even feel that the dragon is delicious because his umami is very full. It's almost full of meat and yellow. It's still meat anyway. Next to this winter. Almost no bones. The meat is stuffed with this stuff. Burn another lump of wood. That's the end of the day. I ran out of food. This crab is the best day today. For more interesting overseas videos, remember to follow. Don't forget to recommend and like 30.